that I'm alone, I feel the lonely brokenness of all the wicked avenues I've ever sold my love on. All these moments of meekness and trembling subsided in the outright abandon of this orphan child. Home is on the highway, living on soft bread and soulless. I guess I'm waiting for nightfall or a solar eclipse, and I wake up half empty, only to be filled again with morning. He's my evil shadow dove, my black pearl and beetle. Can't break him like a diamond skull, I can't seem to do so. Can't just rub him out like the mob used to do so. Like memories of porno and tea stains and tobacco. Oh, it's a mini disaster, bigger than the Ice Age. Don't know if baby dinosaurs maybe could live through it, or Indians and butterflies. What's crushed is my spirit. Oh, I fear it is too fragile, like bodies burn like paper.
One would understand me. Maybe I should go and live amongst the animals. Spend all my time amongst the animals, and on the tracks I would go. They lead to the sea.
I'm justifying something simple and shy like that. That's how my heart lies down beside the sidewalk, like an empty restaurant filled with perfume and balloons. I sit and entertain the bizarre girls of my soul. His name still lingers, maybe it lactates on my tongue. Perhaps I'm just heeding for a foreign fallen destiny, miserable but mine. I look like his mother or Sophia Loren in an old-fashioned movie, slow motion. I cling to my child, desperate for love. And one day soon, my brother died, made me remember all the subordinate feelings I cast aside. And maybe I had lied when I said I was okay, just getting along like a little song that started